Good afternoon for this Friday, November 22nd, and we are looking at the stock EOG Resources, and just put on a trade here at 169.73. Again, if you trade options, you can definitely trade options. I'm going to cover the actual play itself in the stock. You see this? Look at this. Today, the market took out yesterday's low, and it's taken out yesterday's high. Okay? And the open and close right now. Now, I know it's a little early. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, but the open of today is near the high, and it hasn't closed yet today, but the market currently is trading near the high of the day. So I'm assuming the market's going to close in the top quarter, making this, not only a bullish engulfing pattern, but what I like to call a blow-off bar, or some may call it a shooting hammer. So I think the market, and look at a very, very low-risk trade, especially, look at this, the ATR is $4.50. That's a big average true range, okay? Earnings on this market, on this stock, isn't until February of next year, so there's nothing huge coming out, okay? The market's obviously consolidating, and this is what my risk is, okay? It's actually going to be 20 cents below today's low. So today's low is 167.35. 167.15 is the stop, okay? $167.15, 20 cents below today's low, long at 169.63. All right, so let's take a look at this, okay? Long at 169.63, right up in here now, right? The initial stop on this is 167.15, so we're risking $2.48. All right, the first profit target is going to be $7.46, way up here. We're talking 177.09. Get you right up there. I know it's a big stretch, okay? And the second one's going to be up at like 178.90ish. I know it's far away, and I know. Take a look at this range we've got here. So I'll be honest with you. When the market approaches this high right here, this ledge high, this consolidation, this high right here, once we start getting close to that number, and by the way, that number is 172.20, right? Once we get close to this number, I'm going to start bringing things to break even, because if we're not able to break up through this high, well, we'll probably back and fill a little bit. So I don't want to, again, we're not risking a whole lot of money here. So we're risking $2.48. We're looking for the market to at least test this high at 172.20. At that point, once we start getting close to that high, that's when we're going to start bringing up the stops, okay? So that's what I'm thinking there. And if you take a look at the E-minis, right? Take a look at the E-minis. We are on... Look at this. We're back to these highs again. Amazing. Amazingly strong. Market, right, should pull back between the blue action zones. Missed it here, and we're back up. We're on that high. I mean, look, we've just broken through 1,800, right? The prior high was 1,800 even. Look at that. 17.99 3/4. We've broken through it. 1,850. 800. Look at that. That's where we're at right now. Very, very strong market, as you know. I was waiting for a rather tiny pullback back into the blue action zone here to get long. Of course, you can draw your Fibonacci retracements from this last swing low to that high. And as you can see, the market pulled back precisely to a 38.2% retracement right there. But again, it was not into my sweet spot, the blue action zone right in here, and that's what I was looking for. We haven't gotten that yet. So let's just sit back and see how the market's able to handle that 1,800. So far, we're up through it. If the market closes up through 1,800, I don't see why we don't continue moving higher. So have a great day. Have a great weekend. I'll be back with you on Monday. Bye.